What's going on, home chefs? Today's episode, we have one of the best appetizers a home chef can make. Twice baked potato is a classic for its versatility as a recipe. Once you learn the basic steps of this recipe, the possibilities are endless. First, let's get the prep work out the way. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Set aside a half a cup of whole milk. The best potato for this recipe for taste and structure is a russet potato. For this recipe, I'm using 4 potatoes. Coat all the potatoes with cooking oil. After coating the potatoes, prick the potatoes with a fork. Prick the potatoes on all sides. Try not to go too deep. Place the potatoes in a large baking sheet and place in the oven for 1 hour. While the potatoes are in the oven, we need to prep the filling for the potato. Cheese is one of the most common fillings in twice baked potatoes. You can use any cheese you want. For this recipe, I'm using a half a cup of fresh Parmesan cheese, grated, 2.5 cups of fresh cheddar cheese, grated, 1 cup of low moisture mozzarella, fresh, grated. Once done, add all the cheeses to one bowl. Set aside a half a cup of the cheese. The next part of the filling always depends on the chef. I'm going to mince 2 tablespoons of fresh chive. Cut up 1 broccoli head, set aside, and chop up the florets in a bowl. Cook 9 pieces of bacon until it's crispy, set aside, and break. After 1 hour, remove the potatoes from the oven, let cool for a few minutes. Cut the potatoes in half. Using a spoon or ice cream scooper, scoop out the insides of the potatoes. When removing the flesh, try to leave enough to make a barrier around the skin. Add the potato flesh to 2 bowls because we're going to make 2 types. Mash the potato flesh with a potato masher or potato ricer. To 1 bowl of the potato mash, add half the milk, half the butter, the bacon, half the cheese, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Mix to combine. To the other bowl with the potato mash, add the rest of the butter, the milk, broccoli, salt, and the rest of the cheese. Mix to combine. Spoon the potato mash mixtures into the potatoes, top with the half a cheese you set aside earlier. Place the potatoes back in the oven and cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take out the potatoes and top off with the chives. You can serve the potato as appetizer or side dish at any meal. Depending on the filling, a few potatoes can equal a main dish.